everybody, welcome back, and in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to make this really cool origami Roblox Flicker. It flies. So without any delay, let's get started. For the intro, I used this 6-inch square of origami paper, but I'm just going to use purple. Okay, so start right side up and fold diagonally in half. Increase sharply. And now fold in half this way. And now unfold and fold all these corners to the middle like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, fold these corners back to where this crease hits this edge right there. And repeat with this side and the other two. Okay, so after this, fold this flap right over these two edges. And now repeat with the other 4 flaps. Now it should look something like this. Now unfold and fold each of these corners to right there. And only make a pinch right on the top there and unfold. And now fold this corner to the crease mark like that. And now repeat with these other 3 corners. Like that. Okay, now fold these corners right to where this crease hits this edge. And now fold this, unfold this flap like that. Repeat with this side and the other 2. So now it should look something like this. Now, when it looks like this, now we need to sink these corners. So unfold this and unfold this slightly. And now there should be these creases there. I'm just gonna draw them on so you can see them easier. Okay, so we need to fold it on these creases. So first fold on here, fold it down. And now fold this crease up to this edge, so fold it up, and now squeeze that, and repeat with this side, so push this up, like that, and squeeze. And now we sink this flap to look something like that, so it should be folded on these creases. Like that, and now repeat on these 3 corners. And the last one. Okay, so now to look something like this, just crease all the folds sharply. Okay, so now fold this down on this crease. And now look in here and take this flap and fold it right over this edge. So just fold it over like that on the crease. Like that. Now crease everything. So it's like that. And now repeat with this edge. So pull that like that and take this flap and fold it over. So now it should look something like that. And now just flatten everything and crease sharply. Now just try your best and crease super sharply so it doesn't come undone. And now repeat with the other 3 sides. So fold it and take this flap, fold it over the edge, and repeat with this side. Take it and just fold it over like that. Now repeat like that. Now the last one is a little trickier. Like that. And now crease everything super sharply. You may want to put it under a pile, oh it came off. You might want to put it under a pile of some heavy books to get everything creased sharply. Okay, and now once it looks like this, then you are done with the Origami Roblox Flicker. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to flick these things. Okay, so first, just hold it here very loosely and just flick it out like that. It should fly like that. Okay, so I think these are really cool, so please try them yourselves and let me know your comments, and remember to like and subscribe. Bye, see you in the next video.